Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a friend in the Battle.net application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the friends button at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the add friends button. And as you can see, there are two options, so you can add them by ID or add them by code. So just click on the one that you want to use. And then you have to enter your friend's battle tag or email. And once you did that, just click on the send button, which will send them an invitation link and they can join your friend. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.